yeah, yeah. Say yeah, yeah.
Parents and educators, Winceyco has developed a new arts-infused, interactive, virtual learning series. Now your young audiences can learn character education right in the safety of their own homes. Animated scenes hold the attention of your children while teaching the importance of being kind and caring to others.
Are you talking to me? Of course I am. Are you a rock? Of course I am. Rocks don't talk. This rock does.
And you'll love watching your little ones sing along with Wincey and her live band as they learn that it's always cool to do the right thing.
'Cause it's always cool to do the right thing. Character rocks, character rings. I'm so cool when I do the right thing. Say yeah, yeah. Say yeah, yeah.
The same quality of entertainment and education that you have come to expect from Winceyco for 30 years is now available in digital format. Log on to Winceyco.com or call 973-923-3757 for more information. Virtual shows are available now.